Hello, fellow online creators, businessmen, and women. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate a payment system with your Wix website. So if you have an online store developed using Wix, but you're wondering how you can connect a payment system to your website, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So stick and stay to the end of the video, and I know you'll not regret this. So let's begin. So I have my online store here, which I developed using Wix, and I'm trying to buy a product from my website. But when I click on buy, okay, I need to select a color first. Just select the white color here and click on buy. You see it says a pop-up will show that says I'm not able to accept payment because I've not actually connected any payment gateway to this website. So let's get back to the back end of this website and see how we can connect or integrate a payment system with this website. So I'm at the dashboard here in my Wix website platform, and I would want to be able to connect my Paystack account with my Wix website. So all I need to do here is go to billing and payments. Now after that, go to payments up here. So we are trying to integrate a payment system. So now it says make sure customers can pay online. Add payment method. So let's go ahead and click manage payments here and wait for what's to come. Manual payments. So allow to accept cash, check, or other custom forms. That is not what we're looking for. We're looking to see more payment options. Let's click on that. Now as you can see, Paystack is the first option that it offers us here. So let's go to connect, and from here it's actually showing us the fees per transaction. That is 1.95 per transaction in here. Going forward, it says enter Paystack incorporated credentials in the form below. So let's scroll down. So to be able to connect our Paystack accounts so that we can collect payments online, we will need our public key here and our secret key. So one thing you also need to note here is that Wix does not allow you to actually do a live test before you go public. That is, test whether the API works before you ask your customers to actually pay online. You have to do live production just once. So we just need to find our public key and our secret key in our Paystack account. So up until this point, I assume you already have a Paystack account. If you don't, I have a video up here that shows you how you can easily create an account on Paystack and just get an account and get an API which you would integrate with any platform that you are on. So I've logged into my Paystack account in here, and all I need to do is go to, now we need to find our APIs and go and copy and paste them into our Wix platform. So to get the API, our API keys, let's go to settings, wait for it to load. Now go to API keys over here. Right underneath there, what we need is our public key. So this is our text secret key and this is our text public key, but as I said, that is not what we want to do. You're going to go on live mode. This is the test mode, but Wix doesn't allow you to do a test mode. So let's go to the live mode here. Now we need to copy this, and that's the secret key, and copy our public key. So let's go ahead and copy what we have here. So copy, go back to our Wix dashboard. To the first one is our secret key, so just paste it in here. I think I didn't copy it. There we go. Let's go back. I need to enter my password again. So let's go ahead and copy this, head back to our Wix dashboard, paste in here our secret key. Now we need to get our public key, so copy the public key as well, head back to our Wix dashboard, and paste it in here. So once this is done, just click on connect and let's see what happens. So now we've been able to enter our public key and our secret key, and Wix is now trying to integrate both platforms together. And yay, we have our Paystack Incorporated is now connected. It's time to upgrade your site. So now our Paystack account is connected to our Wix website. But before we can actually accept payment, we will have to do an upgrade on our Wix platform. So if you click on upgrade, it will open up a page for you where it shows you the different packages that they have. Before you can accept payment on their Wix platform, you don't actually have to be on one of their plans or one of their packages. So as you can see, there's $35 per month, and that enables you to accept payments online. So but for now, we can confidently say that our Paystack is now connected to our Wix, and once we do an upgrade on our Wix platform, we can now go ahead and accept payment. So this is how easily you can integrate a payment system such as Paystack or payment gateway such as Paystack with your Wix website. If you found the video helpful, you can subscribe to the channel, like the video, or hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos on website payment gateways I'll be uploading in the future. Thank you for joining, and I hope to see you in the next video.